Ganga Devi, Durga Devi, they are my servant, they are my dasi. Mahesha Kinkar, Lord Shiva is my servant. So you worship me, I am blessings to you. Apuni Chandan Pari Paren Kulamala. Then they are giving garlands and bhoga, prasadam, everything. That time he is taking garlands. So himself is bearing garland. And chandan and mala and all prasad, bhoga, fruits and sweets, everything eating. Krudi kanya gan kai sunare nimai, gram samande tumi ho amar sabar bhai. Then all girls, they become angry, then they are speaking. Anyway, you are our brother. You are our brother. You don't speak like this. So they say, we worship to Ganga Devi, Durga Mama, Durga Maya, Lord Shiva. Don't make disturb. We worship to them. प्रभु कहे तुम्हार सभा के दिलाओ यही बर. Then Mahaprabhu told, okay, I am blessings to you, everyone. तुम्हार सभा बढ़ता होवे परम सुंदर. Your Varta, your husband will be very beautiful, very nice. Pandit Vidagda Juva Dhanadhanava. Everyone will be Pandit and very nice person and young person and to Majapulets. Sat Sat Putra Vi Chirayu Matiman. Then you will be 7 children and all are long life and very nice person, very intelligent. बर सुनी कन्या गणेर अंतरे संतोष बाहरे भर्सन करे करी मिथ्यारोष. Then they are very happy, all girls, all ladies, all are very happy, but outside they are speaking. Then they are very angry. Kono kanna palaila naivedya laiya. Somebody they are taking naivedya, all fruits, garlands, everything they are taking and they are going away. Then Mahaprabhu called to her, hey, why going out? Jadi naivedya na deya bhaiya kripani. Hare kripani, if not give him naivedya, not give him bhoga to me, then Buddha Bharta Have Ar Chari Satini. Okay, go. You can understand. Your husband will be old man. Old man will be your husband. And Char Satin, 4 wives. 4 ladies, living with 4 ladies. Always quarreling, fighting each other. Iya suni tasabar mone hoilo bhai. Sorry. কি ভালো তো? ইয়া শুনে তাসবার মনে হইল ভয়, কোন কিছু জানে কিবা দেবাবিষ্ট হয়. বসুন. So then all daughters, all girls, they afraid. Oh, don't know what is known. He knows something. All devas coming in body. In this way, demigods they are speaking. Aniya naivedya tara sarmukhe dharila, khaiya naivedya tare ishtavar dila. When they are bringing give him to Mahaprabhu. That time eat everything, after then give him blessings. Okay, go. We are very happy. Then everyone will be happy. এই মতো চাপল্য সব লোকেরে দেখায়, দুঃখ কারো মনে নয়, সবে সুখ পায়। So every day, restless mind, always making trouble to all girls, but they are not unhappy. All are very happy. Okay, everyone happy. एक दिन বল্লভাচার্য কন্যা লক্ষ্মী নাম হয়, দেবতা পুজিতে আইল করি গঙ্গা স্নান। One day, Vallabhacharya's daughter, Lakshmi Priya, she is coming, she worship to demigods after then taking bath. তারে দেখি মহাপ্রভুর হইল সাবিলাস মন, লক্ষ্মী চিত্তে সুখ পাইল প্রভুর দর্শন। Then Mahaprabhu have desire. Lakshmi Devi, she was very happy when have seen to Mahaprabhu. সাজে প্রেতে দুয়ার করিল উদয়, বাল্যভাবে ছন্ন তনু হইল নিশ্চয়। But each other automatically love and affections come. देव पूजा छले कइल दुए प्रकार, प्रभु कहे आवा पूज आमी महेश्वर, हमारे पूजले पावे अभिष्पित वर। Mahaprabhu told, I am Maheshwar, you worship me, I am blessings to you, you don't worry. Lakshmi Devi তার অঙ্গে দিল সপুষ্প চন্দন, মল্লিকার মালা দিয়া করিল বন্দন। Then Lakshmi Devi Pushpa Chandan gave and Mallika Mala, Beli Mala, jasmine flower garland, give him to Mahaprabhu. প্রভু তার পূজা পাইয়া হাসিতে লাগিলা, শ্লোক পড়ি তার ভাব অঙ্গীকার কইলা। Mahaprabhu was very happy, laughing. At that time Mahaprabhu spoke one verse, Sankalpa vidita sat bhavati nam madarchanam, मयान मोदितो स्वसौ सत्य भवितो अर्हसि। Oh Sati, I understand your sankalpa, your vow. You worship me, so I accept. Everything will be right. What is your desire? Fulfill your desire. এই মতো লীলা দুয়ে করে গেলা ঘরে, গম্ভীর চৈতন্য লীলা কে বুঝিতে পারে। Who understand? Who can understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's লীলা? Very deep. চৈতন্য চাপল্য দেখি প্রেমে সর্বজন, সচি জগন্নাথে দেখি দেন উলাহ। So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu make restless, always making restless mind, chanchal. Then Sati Jagannath Deki Denu Labha. In this way, they are speaking to Sati Mata Jagannath Mishra. And they are complaining to Mahapriya, to them, oh, your boy is very restless, always making disturb to in Ganges water, in Ganges. एक दिन सती देवी पुत्र वर्षया दरिबारे गेला पुत्र गेला पलाइया. One day Sati Mata came, wants to catch him, but at once he is running, cannot catch. উচ্ছিষ্ট গর্তে তত্ত্ব হারির উপর বসিয়াছেন সুখে প্রভু দেব বিশ্বম্বর. One day, Sati Mata cooked so many times, so many soil pots. After then, they are throwing one place. So many water, cooking pot there, so everything black. So all pots they are throwing. But one day Mahaprabhu came there, sitting, and took all black side, putting in body. Sati Mata told, "Oh Nimai, why you sit here? This is impure place, not sitting here, so why you sit?" Nimai told, "Oh Mama, I can't understand. You not teach me. You are not sending me school, so how should do? I am not learning. How can learn? So in this way I am sitting. So what is impure? This is pure. Because you cook prasadam bhoga for Vishnu. After then you throw this pot. So this is how is impure. Not impure, everything pure. I am in this way. Then all Mataji, all ladies, they told, so why not send your boy to school? We want to send our boys, but they are not going, not studying. But your boy wants to learn. Satiya Sikai Kini Asuti Chuila गंगा स्नान कर जाइयो पवित्र होइला. यहाँ सुनी माता के कहिल ब्रह्म ज्ञान. विस्मिता भैया माता कराइला स्नान. प्रभु कबु पुत्र संगे सती करिला शयन. देखे दिव्य लोग आसी भरिल भव. Sometimes Sati Mata sleeping with Mahaprabhu. Then she had seen Shuddhipuru, so many demigods they are coming. Sati bole jao jao putra bola bapere. Then she Mata can't understand why all demigods coming. They are throwing flowers and praying, prayer mood praying. One day, Sati Mata called to Nimai. Oh Nimai, you can call to your father. Matriyagya Paya Prabhu Chalila Bahiri. At that time, Mama gave order, so she went outside. But at that time, ringing uncle bell. চলিতে চরণে নূপুর বাজে ঝঞ্ঝন. শুনে চমকিত হইল পিতা মাতার মন. But that time no uncle belt. But why ringing? Very nice. They were very surprised. মিশ্র কহি এই বড় অদ্ভুত কাহিনী. শিশুর শূন্য পদে কেনে নূপুরের ধ্বনি. পায়ের মধ্যে কোনো নূপুর নাই, কোনো কিছুই নাই, অথচ ধ্বনি কোথা থেকে ধ্বনি আসে? Why this sound coming? সচি গই আর এই অদ্ভুত দেখিল. দিব্য দিব্য লোক আসি অঙ্গন ভরিল. Sati Mata told, too much wonderful. I have said, surprised. So all Dibbaloka, so many nice person, demigods, they are coming. And they are speaking nicely. What is speaking can't understand. काकी वस्तुति करे अनुमान करी मिश्र बले किछु होक चिंता किछु नाई विश्वम्बरेर कुशल होक एई मात्र चाई Jagannath Mishra told, don't worry. What happening, what is going on, don't worry. But Vishwambar, Nimai will be auspicious. Everything will be happiness. एक दिन मिश्र पुत्र ने चापल देखिया धर्म शिक्षा दिल भर्सना करिया. One day Jagannath Mishra teach so many religions, so many rules, regulations. रात्रे स्वप्न देखे एक आसी ब्राह्मण मिश्र रे कहे किछु सरल सुवचन. In the night time, then Jagannath Mishra had seen one dream. One Brahman came to him, spoke, don't speak to your son. You don't know your son. He is Supreme Lord. Why? Abuse to him? Why be to him? मिश्र कही देव सिद्ध मुनि के निर्णय जैसे बड़ हो एवे आमार तो नय. Then Jagannath Mishra told, ओए ओके बोल मेरी प्रसाद पे देते. पुत्रेर लालन शिक्षा पितार सधर्म আমি না শেখালে কইছে জানিবে ধর্ম মর্ম. Jagannath Mishra told, I am father. This is my duty. I teach to boy. Otherwise, how can understand what is dharma, what is karma, what is rule regulation? বিপ্রকারী এই যদি দৈব সিদ্ধ হয় শত সিদ্ধ জ্ঞান তবে শিক্ষা ব্যর্থ. যদি দৈব সিদ্ধ, then why teaching? No need to teach. He knows everything. মিশ্র কহে পূর্ব কেন পুত্র কেনে নয় নারায়ণ তথাপি পিতার ধর্ম পুত্রকে শিক্ষা. Jagannath Mishra told, if my son is Narayan, if Narayan, then this is religion. This is only one proof and point. Father giving teaching to children. Father can teach to children because he is children. If he is Narayan, so I teach to him. এই মতে দুয়ে করেন ধর্মের বিচার শুদ্ধ বাৎসল্য মিশ্রে নাই জানে আর. এত শুনি দ্বিজ গেলা আনন্দিত হইয়া মিশ্র জাগিয়া হইলা পরম বিস্মৃত. বন্ধু বান্ধব স্থানে স্বপ্ন কহিল সকল শুনিয়া সকল লোক বিস্মিত হইল. এই মত